What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy Josh, and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. So, YouTube, I just finished uploading my first sneaker release of the year, which wasn't the first sneaker cop of the year. It was a leftover from 2023, but I had to still review the sneaker. And on top of that, I think that I'm gonna sit there and do a cop video of 20, you know, all my cops for 2023, which ones I thought were the best, which ones I wasn't so fond of, and you know, give our opinions about that. And I got, since we're on the subject of, you know, Air Jordan 5s, because that was the one that I just reviewed, the Dusks, the Armamania Dust pair, I still have to do my Air Jordan 5 collection, which of course I've got 2 more Air Jordan 5s now to add to it. You know, I don't have a lot of 5s, but I've got one of the grails of it that everybody wants on retro 5s. I'll leave that, you know, to whenever I get it to it, so you guys know. And hey, I got a lot more videos to come up on sneakers, a lot of upcoming good releases that, you know, your boy's definitely gonna cop, and you know, we're gonna take it from there. So all right, but before we get to that, I want to sit here and thank y'all for sticking through the videos and, you know, watching them and hitting that like button, hitting that subscribe button, leaving comments below, and sharing the videos. Your boy appreciates the support. I appreciate, you know, you guys sitting there and watching it, because hey, that's the only reason I keep going. So definitely getting the hang of this. And like I said during one of my Lego time lapses, I'm gonna try some things different here. You know, I'm gonna sit here and try to maybe, you know, see if I can get a logo made. I'm gonna sit here and get an intro made for the, you know, channel, so all the videos that I post, I'm gonna step it up a little bit in 2024 and see what I can get to. So all right, well, today's video is a new release sneaker of the year. It's another sneaker review. It is one that has released this year so far. It's one of the first releases of this year. I just got it in this morning, and for some reason it took a little longer than usual. I mean, it could be because of the snowstorms and all that happened this last week, but you know, I copped the release last Saturday, and I just got it today on Thursday. So if you know what date it is and all that stuff, so you already know which sneaker it probably is. But you know what? Let me just get here and show it to y'all. So the sneaker that we're gonna review today in this video is in this box. Boom. Of course, you sneakerheads out there know what silhouette comes in this box typically. And of course, you see the yellow color on there. And of course, you guys already know what it is. But I'm gonna sit here and read the label anyway. It is the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Colorway is Yellow Ochre and Black and Sail. Oh man, I wish they would leave that sail color already alone. Leave it alone. Leave it back in 2023. Because, you know, we can't ride that for too long, right? All right, and it's a size 10 for your boy. And in front of me, ladies and gents, what I have is the Air Jordan 1 Ochre. Oh man, you know what? What's up with Nike individually wrapping sneakers now? You know, they individually wrap the whole thing, you know, so I can't sit here. I normally try to keep the same review of the same side at all times, and this is messing me up. So, all right, so we got the Yellow Ochres, and not bad, not bad. Check it out, y'all. Check it out. I will say that this Air Jordan 1, quality on it is for sure good. You got these panels right here have the, like, a nubuck suede type leather to them. I want to say more nubuck, and it's nice and good quality on those. Mid panel and the toe box got that nice tumbled leather you know your boy loves. Woo, nice and nice. And the rest of the sneaker so far, pretty for the first Air Jordan 1 release of the year, it is a dope colorway so far. I wish I had my taxis with me so we could compare the yellow, but I don't think it's the same kind of yellow. You know, I say, you know, I don't know what they made this ochre yellow out of, but it definitely is like a cross between the regular yellow and like the gold. It looks like they mixed it in there or something like that. So yeah, this is dope. The sneaker's pretty dope so far by the looks of it. So let me get this in front of the camera, nice up and close, straight up, so y'all can sit here and review all the materials, all the up close pics like I'm looking at it right now, and that way y'all guys can make the decision on whether this is a must cop or not. You know, by leaving your comments in the comment section, and you know what, we'll take it from there. We'll talk about it and we'll sit here and review it. So let me get it in front of the camera, y'all. Let's get it. All right, y'all, in front of us we got the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Yellow Ochres. Of course, got the nice view of the box with the sneakers on top. The box is your typical Air Jordan 1 silhouette box, nice yellow and sail colorway throughout, but we're not here for the box, we're here for the sneakers. So let's take a look at them, y'all. All right, so first of all, you got your these Nike tags are now coming with a lot of sneakers, and I wonder why they decided to start doing that. But we've got black laces, and in the box we got regular white ones. Actually, no, wait a minute, they look like they could be sale. No, they're white, they ain't sale. I don't know though, it could be like they are sale. Maybe my eyes are messing with me or whatever, but maybe I'm just tired of seeing the sale colorway. But yeah, we got some extra pair of laces, just like, you know, all Air Jordan 1s come with, you know. And we've got the nice material. You see that tumble leather on the on the mid panels right there? Woo! That tumble leather is beautiful. And you know, they said that this had sail in it, but I don't know if my eyes are playing tricks on me or they changed the sail formula, but the middle and the sole look pretty white to me. They don't look like that sail color, but y'all let me know what y'all think. Yeah, y'all see him up there. Are my eyes playing with me, or did they change up the formula on these, y'all? All right, so we got the, of course, like I said, check out that nubuck suede on that, bro. It is dope. I mean, that one has a little bit of an overglue there, but look at the rest of the sneaker. Pretty much, you know, hey, pretty much a good quality, little, you know, overglue stains here and there, but hey, I can overlook those for now because I think that the rest of the shoe is definitely dope. And those overglue stains, you know, that could be overlooked very easily. So you got that there on both shoes. Check it out. This one is not so bad on the overglue. And you got the, of course, inner side of it. Then you got your sole, your typical Air Jordan 1 soles right there with that yellow ochre all over it. You got your Nike Air, the tab on the top of the tongue. And that is pretty much it to y'all. I mean, like I said, Air Jordan 1s are pretty simple. Air Jordan 1s are, you know, you can't really complain. You know, now that they've grown on me, they're simple and comfortable, and you know, colorways are, you know, far and few that where they just ugly. It's when they try to do things like the Brotherhoods and stuff like that, where they just mess stuff up and make it just look too much. They do a little bit too much, y'all. So got the back side of the sneakers, dope colorway, dope quality, y'all. Make sure y'all go cop a pair, because hey, I think this is gonna be one of those victims of the times and of the recession that we were not officially in, but we are. But that's another topic. All right, y'all. Well, let me know what y'all think about the quality on these sneakers. Let me know if that's a must cop for y'all, or y'all passing on these, y'all doubling up on them. What y'all thinking? Y'all gonna wait on a sale for them? Because I think the quality of these are pretty dope. So I think you should pretty much go cop, because these are gonna be one of those sleepers. They're gonna definitely come back and bite people in the butt because of the quality of them. So, all right, y'all. Well, let's get back in front of this camera. give our final thoughts and comments on the sneakers to wrap up the video, y'all. So, let's get it. Alright, y'all, that was the review for the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG Yellow Ochres. And y'all saw it. This is pretty dope. Good quality Air Jordan 1. Materials are fire. Of course, you know, sneakers is funny now. I mean, I don't mean sneakers to Nike. I'm talking about sneaker community is funny right now. Everybody isn't jumping on releases like they were. Things aren't selling out ASAP like they were. And things are going below retail on the resale market, which is crazy. You know, it's a good time to be a sneakerhead. You can sit here, and if you're not patient, you can cop on release day and be fine. If you're patient and you want to save a little dough, you can definitely sit there and cop on GOAT, cop on StockX, wait for some sales, because Nike has been throwing them up on the, you know, for sale, you know, 20% off, for kind of stuff like that. You know, other websites have been throwing these up for sale. I mean, not just these, but any, you know, recent Nike release. Only ones I think didn't go on sale were the 11s, the Gratitudes. I didn't see those go on sale. Those pretty much sold out. But yeah, everything else is dropping and going on sale and not selling out as quickly as they used to. So you definitely have a chance to cop anything you want this year. So, all right, well, let me know in the comment section what you thought about the sneaker. Is it a must cop? Is it a pass? Did you double up? I did not double up because I didn't think I was gonna like this yellow, but I will double up on a sale. So let's see what happens, y'all. All right, well, sit there and thank y'all for sitting there watching the video. Make sure y'all hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Make sure y'all share the video and just talk about it in the comment section, y'all. Let's talk about the sneakers. So, all right, well, other than that, there's nothing more else to say. Other than that, it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. Keep it locked in. And as always, until next time, holla at your boy.